Are you one of those people who think that an open house's only purpose is for the listing agent to meet potential new clients? Think again. I'm here to share with you some compelling reasons why you want to allow open houses when it comes time to sell your home. The first reason is based on how people are using websites to search for properties. Findings from a 2018 study showed that site visitors to realtor.ca were 4 times more likely to search for properties that had weekend open houses scheduled. And further to that, visitors to the mobile site and app were twice as likely as desktop users to search for properties that had open houses. And if you saw episode 109, you know that mobile users of realtor.ca vastly outnumber desktop users. So the bottom line is this: if you're hosting an open house, your home will get way more online eyeballs than properties that don't. Next, I want to tell you a quick story about a listing that I sold late last year and the person who ended up being the eventual buyer. So the person who ended up being the highest bidder on offer night saw the property for the first time during the open house. Now, what I learned afterwards is that the week before, the buyer was too slammed with work to schedule a viewing with their agent. And when it came time to the weekend, their agent happened to be out of town. So they came to the open house on their own and they were able to participate in the offer night, which happened to be on the Monday. Had there not been an open house, my seller might not have achieved their highest and best price for their property. Now, this is an anecdote and not necessarily the norm, but it's a real life example of how an open house can net a seller the most amount of money. Lastly, there are lots of buyers who take a DIY approach to their real estate search. They want to wait until they find the right property before they bring their agent on board. But the only time they have to look for places is on the weekends. Not having an open house could exclude that type of buyer. My job is to sell your home, and sometimes there's no better way to do that than to meet someone face to face and get to the bottom of whether your home is the right one for them. And sometimes it takes an open house for that meeting to happen. I'm Harnish, Toronto Real Estate Navigator with Bosley Real Estate. I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you again. Take care.